Open the BeeWiFi app. It will automatically detect your router. Select your router, enter the admin password. Then create a new project. Set the name. Set your project password. Customize device name. Finish the operations, you'll see your project list. Tap the newly created project. The topology shows the connections between your gateway and access points. Click List, choose your device. Select AC controller to manage settings. Here centralizes all configurations. Location function. APs will flash red-blue lights when you open. It closes automatically after 2 minutes or can be closed manually. Personalized parameter settings take effect for a single AP. You can add new wireless, synchronous AC wireless parameters. Wireless advanced settings, including wireless mode settings, client connection number settings, OSI policy settings, and unlimited region settings. Create names to APs. Wireless settings apply to all APs simultaneously. You can add new wireless and wireless advanced settings. RF settings. You can set the channel, bandwidth, and power for a single AP or select all APs. Indicator light. You can set the switch indicator for a single AP or for all APs. Wired VLAN settings. You can set a VLAN for a single AP or for all APs. Restart. You can set scheduled restart or immediate restart for a single AP or for all APs. Reset. You can restore a single AP or set all APs to factory defaults. Auto bind. If auto bind is closed, the newly added APs need to be added to the network manually in AP management. If auto bind is opened, it is directly added to the network.